Hi, if this is your first time here, we hope you'll consider subscribing, so we can grow this channel and continue to create new videos to help people earn extra money. Here's a short video on how to transfer funds from GCash to a Metrobank account. Open your GCash app and log in using your MPIN. Tap on Transfer from the GCash main screen. Tap on Metrobank from the list of GCash partner banks. You need the following information. First, the recipient's Metrobank account number, then, the recipient's Metrobank account name, and the amount that you'll transfer. The displayed email address is the one associated with your GCash account. I suggest you leave it as is. Fill up the required information in this form and tap on Send Money. GCash will charge you with a 15 peso fee for this transfer. If you need to update any information, tap on the back arrow to go to the previous screen. Review the information you provided before you tap on Confirm. This is the transaction receipt for your bank transfer. You can see here the details of the fund transfer, including the reference number. Tap on Download to save a copy of this receipt. It will be saved as an image file that you can access from your phone's image gallery. You will get an SMS and an email notification from GCash for this fund transfer transaction. What other money and business-related topics would you love to see on this channel? We truly appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to support our channel. See you soon.